Garmin is one of the most trusted names in the world of fitness watches. People who run, bike, hike, or swim know how useful a Garmin watch can be. In 2023, Garmin launched the Forerunner 265. Now, runners and fitness fans are waiting for its next version, the Garmin Forerunner 275. Based on leaks, expert guesses, and Garmin's history, the Forerunner 275 may be one of the best budget running watches in 2025. It could have strong features, a nice design, and a lower price compared to high-end watches. So let's get straight into the video to know more about it. The Forerunner series is known for being light and comfortable. We expect the Forerunner 275 to continue that tradition. The Forerunner 265 had a bright AMOLED display, which many users loved. The 275 will likely have the same kind of screen, maybe even better. It will probably come in two sizes, just like the 265, 42mm and 46mm, so people can pick what fits best. The watch might use strong plastic for the body and Gorilla Glass to protect the screen. While more expensive watches like the Fenix use sapphire glass and metal parts, the Forerunner keeps things simple to stay affordable. Garmin may also add a new button layout or some small changes to the look, but nothing too different. The main focus will still be on comfort and function. The Forerunner 275 is expected to include many helpful features for runners. It will likely have a 1.3-inch AMOLED screen, which is bright and colorful, making it easier to see in sunlight. Multi-band GPS should improve location accuracy, even in tough areas like cities or forests. A heart rate sensor, either Elevate V4 or V5, will track your heart rate all day. The watch may also include a SpO2 sensor to measure blood oxygen and a VO2 max feature to show your fitness level. Training readiness and recovery time can guide when to work out or rest. Body battery will track your energy levels using data from your activity, sleep, and stress. Sleep tracking will help you understand how well you rest. Women's health tracking may support menstrual and pregnancy monitoring. Music storage will let you listen to songs without a phone, and smart notifications will show texts and calls on your wrist. Garmin Pay and Bluetooth headphone support may also be included, just like on the Forerunner 265. These features make the 275 a good choice for runners who want strong tools at a fair price. Garmin watches are known for long battery life. The Forerunner 265 had up to 10 days in smartwatch mode and 24 hours in GPS mode. We think the Forerunner 275 will have the same or better battery life, which will last up to 12 days. Some experts also hinted that the 275 could use new battery-saving features or improved SATiQ GPS technology, which helps the watch switch between GPS modes to save power. If this happens, users may get better performance and longer usage. Also, many users hope the new watch comes with faster software and smoother menus, especially since it will have a bright AMOLED display. The Forerunner 275 may also come with safety and tracking features. These include Live Track, incident detection, and the ability to send your location to someone if something goes wrong during your run or bike ride. There are also rumors that Garmin might add LTE support to the new Forerunner. This would allow users to send messages or call for help without needing a phone. Garmin tried this before with the Forerunner 945 LTE, but it wasn't a big hit. If they bring LTE back in the 275, it might be a big step forward for safety and communication. The Garmin Connect app will still be the main way users connect their watch to their phone. It gives deep insights into workouts, sleep, stress, and more. Users can also join challenges, see trends, and track progress. The Forerunner 275 will likely support third-party apps through the Connect IQ store. You can download watch faces, apps like Spotify or Deezer, and extra fitness tools. This helps people personalize the watch the way they want. The Forerunner 275 will sit between the cheaper Forerunner 165 and the higher-end Forerunner 965. If you just want basic GPS and heart rate, the 165 is enough. But if you want maps, longer battery life, or more tools for advanced training, the 965 is better but more expensive. The 275 might not get full color maps or dual control buttons like the Phoenix or Epix series, but it should give most runners everything they need for half the price. Garmin usually keeps a stable price range for its watches. The Forerunner 265 launched at around $450. Many people believe the 275 will cost about the same or a little more, maybe $470 to $500. As for the release date, the Garmin Forerunner 275 is anticipated to be released in the first half of 2025. While Garmin has not officially confirmed the exact date, several sources suggest a potential launch in June 2025. This time frame aligns with Garmin's historical release patterns for the Forerunner series. If you already have a Forerunner 265, it might not be a big upgrade. But if you're using an older Garmin watch like the 245 or 55, the 275 could be a great next step. If you are thinking about buying the 265 now, it would be better, wait a little longer, might be smarter. If the Forerunner 275 launches soon, it might offer more features for just a little more money, or it could push the price of the 265 down. Also, if the 275 includes the latest sensors, better GPS, or even LTE, it could be worth waiting for. We expect Garmin to announce it sometime between April and June 2025, though this is not confirmed. The Garmin Forerunner 275 is not official yet, but it's one of the most exciting rumored watches in 2025. It could be a great budget option for runners who want strong features without spending too much money. With a bright screen, useful tools, good battery life, and better GPS, the 275 might become the best mid-range running watch this year. Whether you are just starting your running journey or training for a marathon, the Garmin Forerunner 275 could be the smart choice. It may not have every high-end feature, but it should have everything most people need to train well and stay healthy. If Garmin delivers what fans are expecting, the Forerunner 275 might be the best budget running watch in 2025. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.